Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in West Caldwell, New Jersey, and we have just completed an inline door and panel with an angled or sloped ceiling cut out. So everything here is in matte black finish. We use the pinnacle version of the matte black, which is the soft beveled edges instead of the sharp modern one. These are my personal favorite instead of the SCUs or the square versions, because those square versions could be a little sharp, especially if you're cleaning and then you hit it real hard with your finger. Bit of an ouchie there. Alright, and this is a nice large or deep shower that we decided to make it into a double acting door without a vinyl. As you can see, there's plenty of clearance here to come in and out. And of course, if you've seen any of my videos, you understand why we want that door to be able to open inwards as well. If you haven't seen any of the videos explaining that, maybe the suggested video will explain. Alright, so again, double acting door. In and out. Alright, and of course accuracy is the name of the game. So, alright guys, so if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, mjglassdoors.com.